Today we are going to learn about optimizing supply chains with AI in manufacturing. We'll explore how AI enhances supply chain efficiency, reduces costs, and improves delivery times, equipping you with skills to leverage AI tools in streamlining supply chain processes.
In today's interconnected world, supply chains form the backbone of manufacturing industries, ensuring products are delivered efficiently and on time. With the advent of artificial intelligence, these supply chains are set to transform dramatically. AI offers powerful tools for analyzing vast amounts of data, predicting trends, and optimizing operations. This introduction sets the stage for understanding AI's pivotal role in modernizing supply chain management, emphasizing its potential to reduce costs and improve delivery times. Join us as we explore the fascinating intersection of AI and supply chain management. AI is revolutionizing supply chain management by empowering companies to make smarter, data-driven decisions. At the core of this transformation are AI technologies that enhance decision-making processes, leading to greater efficiency and accuracy. AI leverages predictive analytics, allowing businesses to anticipate market demands, optimize inventory, and streamline operations. Real-time data processing through AI further enables companies to respond swiftly to changes, minimizing disruptions and maintaining a competitive edge. This segment delves into how AI is fundamentally reshaping supply chains, harnessing data to drive innovation and excellence in manufacturing. Data is the lifeblood of modern supply chains, offering insights that can transform operations from reactive to proactive. AI-driven data analytics plays a crucial role in optimizing supply chain processes, providing a granular view of every aspect of the supply chain. By analyzing data patterns, companies can make informed, strategic decisions that enhance efficiency and reduce waste. Predictive analytics allow businesses to forecast market trends and adjust their strategies accordingly. This section explores the power of data analytics in harnessing AI for supply chain optimization, showcasing real-world applications and benefits. Demand forecasting and inventory management are critical components of effective supply chain management. AI tools offer unparalleled accuracy in predicting demand, helping businesses maintain optimal inventory levels and reduce instances of stockouts or overstocking. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI solutions can forecast demand with precision, enabling companies to respond proactively to changes. Additionally, AI-driven inventory management tools provide real-time insights into stock levels, ensuring that inventory is managed efficiently and cost-effectively. This segment explores the transformative impact of AI on demand forecasting and inventory management, highlighting the tools that make it possible. Logistics and route optimization are pivotal to reducing transportation costs and enhancing delivery efficiency. AI-driven logistics solutions analyze various factors such as traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery schedules to determine the most efficient routes. These AI solutions enable real-time route adjustments to accommodate unexpected changes, ensuring that deliveries are timely and cost-effective. By optimizing logistics and routes, companies can significantly reduce fuel consumption and associated costs, while improving customer satisfaction. This section delves into the AI technologies that drive logistics and route optimization, illustrating their impact on supply chain efficiency.
In this case study, we explore a real-world example of a manufacturing company that successfully implemented AI-powered supply chain solutions. By leveraging AI technologies, the company achieved significant cost reductions and improved delivery times, setting a benchmark in supply chain optimization. The case study highlights the challenges faced during implementation, the solutions adopted, and the lessons learned from the process. This success story serves as an inspiration for businesses looking to harness AI to enhance their supply chain operations, demonstrating the tangible benefits of embracing AI-driven solutions. Implementing AI solutions in supply chains comes with its own set of challenges, from data quality issues to resistance to change. Companies must address these challenges head-on to fully realize the benefits of AI. This involves ensuring high-quality data, building AI competencies within the organization, and managing change effectively. By adopting best practices for AI implementation, businesses can overcome obstacles and create a seamless transition to AI-powered supply chain management. This section provides insights into common challenges and practical solutions for successfully integrating AI into supply chains. Supply chain resilience is crucial in today's volatile market environment. AI plays a vital role in enhancing resilience by enabling supply chains to adapt to changes and mitigate disruptions effectively. AI-driven risk management tools provide real-time insights into potential risks, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to address them. By building robust, AI-powered supply chains, companies can withstand market fluctuations and maintain operational continuity. This section evaluates the impact of AI on supply chain resilience, showcasing how AI technologies contribute to building agile and sustainable supply chains.
As AI technologies continue to evolve, their prospects in global supply chain networks are vast and promising. Emerging trends in AI promise to revolutionize manufacturing, enabling greater connectivity and sustainability across global supply chains. Innovations in AI technologies offer new opportunities for enhancing efficiency, reducing environmental impact, and overcoming future challenges. This segment explores the future of AI in supply chains, highlighting potential advancements and their implications for global connectivity and sustainability. By embracing these innovations, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of the AI-driven supply chain revolution. In conclusion, AI offers a competitive edge for businesses aiming to optimize their supply chains. By embracing AI technologies, companies can achieve greater efficiency, resilience, and sustainability, positioning themselves for future success. The insights shared in this video provide a roadmap for leveraging AI in supply chain management, highlighting key takeaways and practical steps for implementation. As the landscape of supply chain management continues to evolve, businesses that embrace innovation and harness the power of AI will be well prepared to thrive in an increasingly competitive and dynamic market. Now is the time to take action and secure your place in the AI-driven future of supply chains.